Your turn.
Woo!
Let's see what it is.
It's a tank!
Whoa! Hey! So today, we gotta find some toys that are stuck in the dirt in here.
Yeah.
We were planting the field with grass, and we covered up Hudson's toys.
Yeah.
So we gotta dig them out using shovels, tractors, and all sorts of toys. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You see what we can find?
Yeah.
Do you see any toys?
Oh!
Oh, look! Do you see that little dinosaur? You wanna dig it out?
Yeah.
Here, see if you can dig them. Whoa! That was fast! So that's one toy.
Yeah.
And after we find all the toys, we need to take some of the dirt in Hudson's tractor and go fill up some holes.
Yeah.
You see if I find another one? Right here. Ooh, there's something sticking out. What do y'all think this could be? You ready?
I think it's a tank.
Let's see what it is.
It's a tank!
Whoa! A tank? What is that guy doing down there? Hey, do you see any more toys?
Yeah.
I think there's a few more. Oh, there's one. Dig them out. Ooh, I think I know what this one is.
A tractor.
Ah, you got dirt all over me.
Yeah.
Dig them out. Dig them.
These are my logos.
Dig them out, dig them out.
These are my logos.
Almost. There you go. Woo, look at that thing. Look at the tires on that tractor. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is there any more?
Oh.
You see some more? Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Here, let me dig it out. Can I get this one?
I can grab it.
You can grab it? You strong enough?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
No, I don't need help.
You got it! Cool! Hey, now you want to load up some dirt? So we can fill these holes and some other holes?
Yeah.
Here, why don't you get your little dump truck over here? We'll fill it up. Cool! You may put it in the back?
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know if this is enough dirt, do you?
Oh, I know what can hold it.
What?
My tractor.
Oh, get your tractor then. That's a good idea. Can I shovel some dirt in there?
Yeah. Hey, maybe this thing can back some up.
Oh, put it in there. That's a good idea too. There you go. You know what? I have even a better idea.
What?
How about...
big tractor.
Exactly. You want to go grab a big tractor?
Yeah.
Let's get one. We got some of the dirt in there, not all of it. So I'm gonna finish the rest, okay?
And that's not do that was what?
Oh. All right, you get on your tractor and drive away. Go take it to that spot.
King of the castle! Go! Go!
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's your paw.
Your turn.
Woo!
Good job. So we filled the holes
Yeah.
We planted the grass. Look behind us. You can see the streaks of grass.
Yeah.
We planted it.
Yeah.
So before too long, this field's gonna be this high with grass. And then we'll have to cut it down.
Yeah.
So guys, make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more of our videos. Bye!